Today we are looking at the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss in black. This truck is powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look. As we take a look at the interior, the first thing I'm going to highlight are these beautiful black leather seats. These seats feature heating in the front row. Your steering wheel holds your controls for cruise control, a heated steering wheel option, media controls, and more. Behind the steering wheel, you'll find your controls for high beams, windshield wipers, and your digital gauge cluster. Below, you'll find your controls for drive mode and lights. The driver's side door panel contains power controls for locks, windows, and mirrors. Power seat controls can be found on the sides of the driver's seat. As we jump inside, we can take a look in the center of the dash at the media and infotainment touchscreen, compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Google apps such as Maps and Assistant. Below, you'll find many controls, including your climate controls, heated seat controls, and more. The center column features your gear shifter, 2 cup holders, and your center console, which features a wireless charging pad, 2 USB ports, a 120 volt port, and plenty of storage. Throughout the vehicle, you'll find Bose speakers delivering crisp audio throughout. As we take a look at the exterior, the first thing we're going to highlight are these bright front headlights, as well as the black front grille, bumper, and Chevrolet logo. Below, this Silverado sits on 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels. As we look along the side of the exterior, you'll notice all of the accents are finished in black. As we head towards the back, we can release the power tailgate to showcase the spacious cargo area, equipped with spray-on bedliner, 120 volt charging port, and LED lighting. The tailgate is equipped with multi-pro, which allows us to lower the tailgate and extend it into a step. As we take a look at the back seat, your second row passengers are greeted with plenty of legroom, USB charging, cup holders in the back of the center console and center seat. Behind the rear seats, you'll find a power rear window. These seats feature in-seat storage, as well as storage below the seats, as they are split in a 60-40 fashion. Look up and you'll notice the power sunroof, allowing sunlight into the vehicle. And that is the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss in black, located at Wolfe, Calgary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team and we'll be happy to help.